Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about affirmation, cards, business easy and quick. So first of all, let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip this if you want, so I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store. The first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes. You can choose any theme you want from here. Just click add and wait a few seconds to select to install the theme. So now you can customize it on your home page. So this is the style. If you want to change the style of your homepage, you can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop. Here the settings where you can design your site. Here we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can show separate line, you can show icons on desktop. Also you can turn this on, auto change announcements. Here if you want to enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back, let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text, you can paste a link or search for something, collections or whatever. Now let's get back and let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position, you can change the main menu or remove it, you can change the desktop menu type or the sticky header. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Also you can edit the mobile logo position, you can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. So that's it. Now let's move on to the same settings. So if you want to enable search suggestions, here you can add your social media links, your Twitter link or your Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. So now let's move on to the logo. So you have to upload your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. Affirmation cards logo. So for example, you can choose from here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose from your library, of course, from your library. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time, you can edit it at any time you want. You can edit the desktop logo width and the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's get back, let's move on to the image banner. Here you have two images, you can add two images here. So for example, let's search some image on the browser. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So if you want to add the second image, you can add it. You can edit the image overlay opacity, you can change the banner height. Here you can change the desktop content position, you can show container on desktop. Also you can change the desktop content alignment, you can change the color scheme, the animations. Here if you want to start the image on mobile or show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back, let's move on to the heading. So you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Affirmation cards like this and generate. If you don't like the suggestions, you can try again. Here I'm gonna make it medium, so that's it. Let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label, you can change the first button link, Here you can use outline button style. If you already added the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the featured collection. So here you can change you can generate the heading. Just describe what this text is about. Affirmation cards, like this. Here you can generate the description if you want. You can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. You can change the collection or create your own collection. Here if you want to make products full width, you can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the color scheme of this section. You can edit the product card, the image ratio and the image shape. Here if you want to edit the show second image on hover, you can turn this on. Show vendor, you can show product rating, you can enable quick add button, and also you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage from here as you like. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. So here you can change the color scheme. You can show email sign up. Here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Affirmation cards and generate. So here you can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, you can save this and you can let's go to the home page, to the dashboard. So after you customize your online store and after you add a custom domain and add the sharing details, now you can name your store. So here type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone. You can change your store email or add your email here. So that's it. After this, all you have to do is launch your online store and pick a plan. If you want to remove your store password, you can remove it. So that's it for today. That's how to publish and customize your online store for affirmation cards. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.